A very good day to you all children. Welcome back again to our digital learning. Children, they are Anu and Meenu. They were walking home from their school. Then they saw many different things like this gate of the bungalow and some leaves from the tree or plants and walls. After reaching home, they decided to play a chess game. And also, here also they noticed some design like they have noticed before in the leaves of the plant, on the gate. And again, they saw some beautiful painting hanging on their bedroom wall. And it's also showing some beautiful design which have a same sequence. After that, they noticed their floor tile and the curtain that had beautiful design with different colors. And that, children, this beautiful design is form of patterns. So today we will learn more about patterns with our lesson patterns from our mathematics textbook, page number 66. So from that design, different type of design, we have seen what we understood that if any figures, shapes, letters, numbers are repeated in definite sequence, then it forms a pattern. Like here we can see a saris. In this white sari you can see a big flower and a small flower. They arranged in a definite manner, one after the another. So it means it looks very beautiful. So this is called as pattern because the same design repeated again and again in a definite manner. Like that, here also you can see this beautiful design is continuous or repeating again and again, and it forms a beautiful design. This also called as patterns. So children, we all have seen different type of shapes, patterns in our day-to-day life, like on our clothes, bed sheets, saris, tiles or curtains, or even on the floor or on the wall. Let us see some example. Children, in pattern we are having different elements like figures, shapes, letters and numbers. And these elements are repeated in a definite sequence in pattern. The element of the pattern follows a definite rule. For example, here we can see the pattern. We can draw any pattern with figure, shape, letters or numbers. Here in the first pattern, we can see a first picture is of a tree and the next is a flower. A tree, a flower, a tree, a flower, a tree, a flower. So children, we can say that this figure follows a definite sequence. So these sequence form a pattern. Now the next one, here we can see that we are having two shapes, triangle and circle. See, first triangle, then circle, a triangle, a circle, a triangle, a circle, and even a triangle and a circle. And this also follow a definite sequence, like one triangle, after that again a circle, again one triangle, and again a circle. So this sequence is also called as pattern. Here we are having a pattern with letters. See, T, inverted T, T, inverted T, T, again inverted T, and T, inverted T. So what do you mean by that, children? Is this a pattern? Yes, because it follows a definite sequence. So this sequence is also form a pattern. Now this is a number 2 and this is reverse 2, 2, reverse 2, 2, reverse 2, 2, reverse 2, and again 2, and again reverse 2. Now you understood that, children? This is also a pattern because it follow a definite sequence. Now children, I need your help to complete the sequence of patterns. See children, here we can see different letters we are having. A, V, M, like this. So let us see how to complete this pattern with the help of sequence. Here the first letter is A, next V, next M, next again A, and the next V and M. So what will be next letter, children? Tell me. If it follows a same sequence, then what will be the next letter? Tell me. Yes, it will be A. Yes, right. Now, what will be the next one? After A, it will be V. It follows the same sequence. And the next one will be M. Yes. Now tell me, children, what will be the next one? A, V, M. A, V, M. A, V, M. Then next one, A. And then next, V. Yeah, children, we finished this pattern with the help of correct sequence. Now, here they have given the pattern of numbers. Let us complete it. The first one is 1, 3, again 1, 3. So tell me, children, what will be the next one? What will be? What will come next? Yes, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. And the next one will be 3. Like that, we can fill the next numbers. 1, 3, 1. And we don't have to write the next one. So we have to stop here. Again, we done this with the help of sequence. Now here again we are having the pattern with numbers. The numbers are 1, 0, 0. And in the next box 0, 1, 2. Sorry, 0, 1, 0. And the next one 0, 0, 1. And the next one 1, 0, 0 again, like the first one. So tell me children, what will be the next pattern here? Can you able to recognize that? See children, if you understood this, the one number goes to the next box in the next one boxes. See, in the first place we see the 1, and in the next box we see the one number in the next box, and in the third box we can see one number in the third place. Like that, in the fourth box again this one number comes in the first block. So tell me children, where it will go in the next column, in the next box? Yes, if it came in the first block, then in the next block it will go in the second place, and the remaining column will be filled by 0. Like that. Here, after 1, 0, 0, the next pattern will be 0, 1, 0. So here we have filled the incomplete sequence with the help of pattern. Here in the last one we can see some figures. It looks like a snowman, and in the next block we can see two little snowmans. And again in the third place we can see a big snowman, and in the fourth place you can see two small snowmans. So tell me children, which one will be the next? Yes, the bigger one. Bigger snowman, smaller snowman. Then again bigger snowman. And again smaller snowmans. Like this, we completed this pattern of figures. Children, here we have taken some more example of patterns. This is pattern of numbers. So first we have to understand the number given. From that we have to understand the pattern which they follow. If you see children, the first number is 2 and the second one is 4. Then the next one is 6. If you are able to understand that, if you add 2 plus more 2, then you will get 4. And after 4, if you add 2 more, then again you will get 6. Like that, if you follow this pattern, then what will be the next number? What you have to do? You have to again add 2 in a previous number, that is 6. Then tell me children, what is 6 plus 2? Yes, it is 8. And now, what is 8 plus 2? Yes, 10. So like that children, if you add the same number here they follow the pattern of plus 2. So it will increase the value by 2 going ahead. Now tell me children, what will come after 14 here? If you follow the same pattern, then 14 plus 2 will be 16. Like that, you can fill the number pattern also or complete the number pattern also. Here you can see the shape pattern. We are having in the first column, we are having 1, 2, 3 stars. And in the second column, we can see 2 stars. And in the third column, only 1. What happened children? It goes on decreasing, okay, by 1 star. See, if you subtract 1 star from the consecutive number, then you will get this pattern. Like here, if you subtract 1 from 3, you will get 2 stars. And if you subtract 1 star again from this 2 star, you will get 1 star. Like that. Tell me children, what will be the next one? If you observe this 2 stars, then you will understand that if you are following this pattern, then here 3 star will come. 3, 1 less than 2 and 1 more less, then it will be 1. Like this. Now children, here we have taken one more example of figures or shape. Here you can see in the first box, 2 arrows are given in a upward direction. And in the second box, we can see 2 arrows in a direction on the right. And in the third box, we can see the 2 more arrows in a downward direction. And in the fourth box, you can see again the arrow goes upward. So I hope you understood this. So now tell me children, what will be the next shape? After upward direction, it will go to the right side. Then we will draw the right direction arrow, but it will be 2 only, because in all the boxes it is given 2 arrows. Like that, what will be the next one if you follow this pattern? Yes. Now after the right direction arrow, it shows in the next pattern will be downward. So we will draw the downward arrows. Like that children, complete your pattern with a following pattern. I hope you understood this concept. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.